Oh, you did?
Yes. All right, here we go.
Hey, yeah, to be in your presence. Tell us about you on Dancing with the Stars as well, right?
Here we go.
I'm gonna do my Robert Downey Jr. You ready?
Sure.
With half Shih Tzu and half Pit Bull would be a Pit Tzu.
How do they know which name goes first?
What did I do?
Tell me about the movie Lethal Weapon. And
I was never in a movie called Little Weapon. What are you talking?
Tell me about the movie Lethal Weapon. Yeah.
Logical, subliminal no information that bypasses above the physiological threshold, so it's detectable.
We did Comedy Showcase.
Oh, you did?
Yes. All right, here we go.
Like a cross-disciplinary, transdisciplinary, and multidisciplinary. This is what you call surrealism or surrealistic. Surrealistic when there's a disparity between two objects.
Half Pit Bull would be a Pit Tzu.
How do they know which name goes first?
Yes. All right, here we go.
Look at we're on a cable TV network right now. I mean, this is just unbelievable.
An interdisciplinary analysis of sound. Predicated on linguistics, language.
Keep it going for Patrice O'Neill.
We did Comedy Showcase.
Oh, you did?
Yes. All right, here we go.
I'm gonna do my Robert Downey Jr. You ready?
Sure.
With half Shih Tzu and half Pit Bull would be a Pit Tzu.
How do they know which name goes first?
What did I do?
Tell me about the movie Lethal Weapon.
Yeah, Shih Tzu and a Pitsu.
A lot of ambiguity, a lot of play on words, a lot of surrealism, a lot of absurdity. If you look at ideas, whole idea of time dilation or special and general relativity.
Please don't evaluate this before it's over with. We're not like it's not a tell. That would just
Physics of sound. Yeah.
Right?
Dance with the Stars. It wasn't as good as Buddy Holly because I go.